Tired of kitchen clutter and endless cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to revolutionize your meal prep. Imagine replacing 9 different appliances with just one incredible device. This unit functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and so much more. It's the ultimate multitasker, saving you precious counter space and making healthy, delicious meals a breeze, even on busy weeknights. With 15 customizable smart programs, from poultry to soup, you get perfect results every time without guesswork, truly simplifying your cooking experience. No more complex recipes. Just select your program and let the Instant Pot do the hard work for you, taking the stress out of meal planning. Plus, its durable stainless steel inner pot isn't just easy to clean. It's food-grade safe, ensuring healthy cooking for your family. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen and transform your cooking, you can find the best deal on the Instant Pot Duo Plus through the Amazon link below. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a game changer for anyone looking for convenience, efficiency, and incredible flavor in their home-cooked meals. For the best kitchen appliance purchase in 2025, especially if you want quick, versatile cooking, this is truly a must-have for every modern home. Don't wait to discover the joy of effortless cooking. Click that link and grab your Instant Pot Duo Plus today.